Hey guys, we got another package come all the way from Hewitt, Texas. Let's see what we got in here. Sunday, December 17th, 2023. Dear Knife Doctor, I love your show and want to thank you for your service also. We thank you, buddy. My name is Milton Henson. Appreciate that, Milton. And I live in Bruceville, Eddy, Texas. I've been working on and collecting knives since I was 6 years old. I've amassed quite a collection and would like to share a few with you. The Kershaw is from the 90s, needs a clip replaced. The Boker Stockman had a broken spay blade that I replaced a long time ago. The Schrade, when I bought it for $5 years ago, a Scrimshaw with a broken handle with a raccoon on it. I replaced it with some deer antler. I know you like opinel, so I'm giving you a little keychain opinel. Careful, I cut myself pretty bad with it. Wow. Sorry you did that, buddy. Lastly, giving you a paracord lanyard because I like you. I love putting lanyards on my knives. Well, again, love your channel. Thank you for your service. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Milton. Thank you, Mr. Milton. Appreciate this so much. Appreciate all these kind words, and I appreciate the gifts. It's after Christmas right now. I try to open them and record them as fast as I can, but sometimes the other content, it gets in the way. But I appreciate this. I appreciate you thanking me for my service also, buddy. Again, guys, I'm humbled so much by the gifts that y'all give me and send me. Thank y'all again. So let's check these knives out. Whoa. This is a Kershaw. Ain't that pretty? I've never seen one like this before. Seeing if it's USA made. I'm sure it is, being from the 90s. I like the liner lock on here too. Very nice. I will find a clip for this. Certainly will. Wow, check this out. I love that bone on here, man. You did a good job with that. Very nice. Ooh, man. Check that out, y'all. A lock blade. Dude, I like that now. That is a nice knife, Milton. You did a good job on the bone, buddy. Sure did. I like the liner lock as well. It's very tight. Good knife. Very good knife. That is a USA Scrimshaw. Is a SC503. Had to look that up and see what it used to look like.
This is what it used to look like.
Man, this is a nice knife, Milton. Wow. It's a nice knife too. Right there, what's that say? Powercraft. Never heard of this, man. USA. Ain't this cool? I love getting knives that I've never seen before or heard of. That's a nice knife. The snap is still there on this knife. Man, that's a good knife. Awesome, Milton. Thank you, buddy. Whoa. Boker tree brand with the match strike pull. Very cool, man. Very cool. Very nice knife. Milton, thank you, buddy, so much. So much for this. That Gerber right here. Wow. It's a razor blade, man. That is awesome, dude. Thank you so much. I'll use this to open my packages with. Thank you so much. Very nice. Very nice. I'm going to put this up here in my tool bin. Just so I'll have to open my packages with now. Thank you, buddy. This must be that opinel keychain. Wow. Ain't this cool? I love this, man. That is so darn cool. It's sharp as a razor too. I can see why you cut yourself bad. Yes, sir. I'll put this up. Sure will. And the paracord. That is cool, man. Thank you so much, Mr. Milton. You are so nice, man. Let's go over and find Mr. Milton on the map. Mr. Milton is from Bruceville, Eddy, Texas, and it's about halfway between Temple and Hewitt. We're about right there on Interstate 35, south of Waco. 889 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Milton, appreciate all these knives, buddy. Thank you so much. Mr. Milton, thank you again so much for all these knives, man. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, dude. I'm probably going to be carrying that Schrade scrimshaw here because I really like it. I like the way you did the handles on there, and I like it because it's a lock blade. But thank you again, man. But guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. And I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.